In this video, I want to talk about uh, jobs right quick, right, and where I think the money is, okay? And this is based on my own personal experience. In fact, everything that I tell you, everything that I speak about is based on my own personal experience that I've done in the past, or I'm doing it now, or I'm working with somebody, right, and we're doing it together. So none of this is theory, I'm not theorizing and going reading some documents and then putting this stuff back out there. But I'm telling you what I know works, right? And so, in my profession, I work in system engineering, project management, and stuff like that, right? And what we do is we implement projects, okay, big ones, on the defense side of things, right? For defense, for the government, but defense contractor. And so it's implementation, right? That's where the money is, okay? AI can't replace what we're talking about here. AI can't replace it, not at all, right? Now, AI could be it's an enhancer, it'll help you, give you ideas and help you probably draft up a document or something like that, right? But it does not help you and show you how to implement that project, right? You need humans and you need people with emotions, right? And people that got skin in the game on these projects. That's how they get implemented, and that's how they get implemented successfully and on time, on the budget and that sort of a thing, right? And so, I always say, right, go find the projects where all of the issues are, right? And you can easily make anywhere between $150,000 to $250,000 implementing projects, right, as a senior principal systems engineer or something like that, right? You might know a little bit about FPGAs or whatever, right? Or you might be a hybrid, between a top level systems engineer and a little bit of project management. And so you put these projects together and you implement them, okay? You don't need PMP and all of that stuff. You don't need that, right? To me, PMP is for a person who's trying to break into project management or whatever, right? But I'm talking about project implementation, okay? Which includes project management, but this is the whole scope. This is from project charter or statement of work or whatever you want to call it, right? Product description, all the way through requirements, design, right? Manufacturing, implementation, the whole 9 yards, right? Test verification. That's what I'm talking about. Once you understand that and learn how to do that, you're gold, right? There's nothing that can displace you or replace that level of expertise. So I'll talk about this a little bit more, but if you're interested in kind of like learning that part of project management or project implementation, if you will, right? I'll certainly we can certainly talk, and I'll have some charts and some videos and things like that will where we'll start getting into that. That's it for now. We'll talk some more later.